welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to define your curls. Now, I've definitely done a video like this before, but I thought I should update it just to show you guys what I do now. This is my Malaysian curly, I think it is called Malaysian curly wig from Juliahair. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. Sorry guys, I'm literally swallowing my words. But yeah, I'm basically just going to show you guys how I get these curls to look like this, from my before picture to the after that you guys are seeing now. You guys are gonna see me transform this wig from drab to fab. Super excited to be bringing you guys this video, especially because these curls are like none other. I really don't have curls like this in my wig collection, and that wig collection is very expensive right now, but I've never seen curls like this. These curls are absolutely stunning. So I thought I should show you guys how I actually fleek them to look as Caucasian as they do right now. So please stay tuned if you guys want to see that. Of course, please do not forget to do the basic things: liking, commenting, subscribing, hashtag road to 20k, hashtag Masambe. Alrighty guys, so I'm sure you guys have seen this wig before. This is the wig that I use to create my pondo, my low pondo with my actual wig. If you guys want to see how I actually was able to achieve a low ponytail look with a wig, you guys should definitely check out that video. But today I'm basically just gonna be showing you guys how to define my curls, as I've already told you guys. But I do want to give you guys a bit of an updated review on this hair and this wig in general. Basically guys, this hair has held up really amazingly. It looks really gorgeous. I will say that the curls came right back after I spruced it up a little bit with my conditioner and water. I haven't done a full co-wash of it since you guys last saw it in the last video. So this is it after about a week or two of having sort of just sat around my apartment, just JC chilling. So I'm quite impressed with how it looks, considering the fact that nothing much has been done to it. I do want to just let you guys know that something that I have noticed since I first received it, I don't think I let you guys know in the first video, is that the curls on the frontal and the curls on the bundles are not exactly identical, which can be a little bit frustrating when I'm trying to define the curls and kind of make them look the exact same. But it's nothing like too hectic. But I'm sure you guys can see the curls in the frontal are a little bit looser than the curls in the bundles. I would say that I really love the curls in the bundles even more, because I just love that tight curled look. It just is so bouncy and light and just gorgeous, and I wish the frontal sort of could hold a curl as well as the bundles do. But I do find that that is sort of what happens a lot of the times with curly hair. The frontals are not always as curly as the bundles, which is kind of annoying, but we stick through it. I am going to leave the specs of the hair on the screen once more so that you guys can know all the lengths and stuff. I did get 3 bundles of 20 inches, and then I think I also got a 20-inch frontal, so everything is the same length, which is also adding to the volume of this hair. It is absolutely beautiful. So without saying too much else, let's get straight into the defining and curling part of this video. Okay guys, we're gonna start with this hair looking huge, as we can see here. Usually when I do leave my hair after I finish wearing my wig and stuff, it does sort of clump up and get a bit messy. This is literally sometimes how it will end up looking. It wasn't looking as frizzy as this, but I did sort of finger curl some of it out just to get it to look a little bit bigger and to get it prepared for what we are about to do to this hair. So first things first, we're going to need a spray bottle that has conditioner and H2O. The conditioner that I've used here is the Organics conditioner. I pretty much think you can use any conditioner. Honestly, I don't think there's anything amazing about Organics that makes me pick it. I just feel like I get any conditioner. And first things first is I'm going to wet this hair all the way down. This is like the bulk of the work, but takes quite a bit of time when you have all this hair. So let's get to it. Let the time lapse begin. Okay guys, that's one side pretty much done. As you guys can see, I'm easily able to run my fingers through it, unlike before. Which is why I find it extremely important to always wet your hair before you like do the whole detangling situation. As y'all can see, there is a bit of I was gonna say fallout. There is a bit of hair that, it is called fallout. What is it called? Shading. Shading, that's it. Okay, let's get to the other side. Time lapse. Back on. Okay, so that is side number 2 done. There was a little bit more tangling on the side. Also do want to note that I haven't properly done a full wash since the last time you guys saw my hair, so it is holding up pretty well considering that. But yeah, this is how it looks when it's all drenched down. It obviously loses like literally half the volume, but that is what we want. I don't always like that super huge look, a lot because it's so much to maintain and to handle. So I would prefer it if my hair was more on a manageable lower situation, especially with the length and everything. So next order of business, we're going to be applying some mousse. You can use styling mousse, just regular hair mousse is perfectly fine. I'm going to be using, it's called wrap lotion or foam designing mousse. So what we're basically going to do is now define the curls. As I did tell you guys in my last video, these curls are really pretty and gorgeous because the fact that they're smaller than your deep wave but like have more bounce to them, which I really love. I of course don't want to get them like rock hard because that's what happens guys if you use a lot of mousse, styling mousse, wrapping mousse, whatever you want to call it. But if you use a lot of it, your hair literally gets crinkle crackle, and we literally don't want that for our hair. So I'm not going to put too much in, but you want to put enough to the point where you can actually see your curls coming back and defining properly. And then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and just give it a bit of a push, a kick to getting drier quicker so that I can show you guys the finished result. So we just, I'm going to say, let's say 3 pumps. And also you want to use this mousse to sort of define your part more, because as you guys can see, I haven't plucked a parting. So I need my mousse for that. And then when I get to the ends, I mostly just do these ones as opposed to getting as intense as I was at the top, because again, defining the parting. I don't like to, again, always pluck the frontals when it's curly hair, because I feel like it looks so much more natural if the hair just falls into place. There's no like defined part. But of course you can do whatever you feel is great, or whatever you want to do basically. And I will just go back to the time lapsing, so this part will go a bit quicker.
Way I move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you dey mash up the place. A
great tip is for you to stop and just keep making sure that your curls are actually defining, and also make sure that you're spreading the mousse throughout. Again, you don't want to use way too much mousse because you do want your hair to still move. You don't want it to just be like one curl that just sits on its ace and the next curl just sits on its ace. That is not a good look, let me tell you. I do it sometimes when I'm like going to school and I'm in a rush, and it's not cute, guys. So now that our hair is all moussed up, as you guys can see, I did not apply that much mousse, but as you guys can see, the curls are so defined. They are super defined. As I have mentioned already, I do feel like the frontal and the bundles, the curls don't match like exact, or let me rather say that the curls get looser quicker on the frontal. So it is more important for me to apply more of the mousse to the frontal, because of course I wanted to sort of stay more in the comb formation more than the back part, because I know it's already gonna do that. So yeah, I think now it is time for us to go into the blow dryer. With our blow dryer, guys, I'm not trying to heat damage these curls. I'm gonna go on the lowest setting, which is like not even any heat. Basically it's just like cold air that blows out. I'm really just trying to get this hair to dry a little bit quicker. You don't have to do this step. If I'm going to school or something, I usually don't do this step because it'll just dry on my way. I don't really care that much. But obviously if you're trying to go out and you're trying to get your hair to look good quick in a hurry, then you can dry this out. All right. are getting there. We are nearly there. The hair is still feeling a little bit wet, but I will come back and show you guys both sides when they're completely dry, because this is gonna take forever. So let me not waste you guys' time. So guys, plus minus 2,000 years after that, the hair is finally dry, and as you guys can see, bouncation, palpation, lit things only on these ends. As you guys can see, the curls are super duper defined. There, you guys are able to see that smaller curl that I was talking about, and compared to the deep wave curl, I'm absolutely obsessed with how this hair has come out. As you guys can see, super bouncy. The hair is also super fluffy, but not fluffy how it was before. It is way more manageable because of the mousse that's been added. And as I'm sure you guys can see, in love. I am in love with this hair. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of another video. You of course know that my love for you runneth over. Thank you so much for your endless support. Thank you so much for all those who have just subscribed to my channel. Really appreciate it. Thank you to all those that are still gonna do it, as in right now, because we are on the hashtag road to 20K. Without further ado, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
But one say she give me for me your sit enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only